Hey guys, welcome back to TheStruggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. We have Harbor Freight, we have Lowe's, we have Amazon. Everything's going to be linked down below. Also, make sure to follow on TikTok. Just posted a TikTok a few minutes ago. Over at Home Depot, there's a Makita 18-volt 2-tool combo kit with two 5-amp-hour batteries. Normally $419, but in-store clearance down to $230. So really good. You're getting two 5s and two tools. If you like the Makita tools, make sure to go over there, follow, check it out. Now we have the Harbor Freight coupons. They just came out with 108, I think it was, new coupons available. So if you scroll down here, went with the little slideshow action now instead of just the straight list, kind of like that. These are going through the 16th. They aren't organized in any specific way, but just so you can scroll through them if you want to take a look. Also, make sure we got the little email sign-up box down here, bring you to a page where you can sign up for the email list, because you'll get those quicker. I sent out the Harbor Freight coupons last night. Maybe it was this morning. Whatever it was, the email's already been sent out for the Harbor Freight coupons. So make sure you get on that so you don't miss the next ones. Now, over at Lowe's, we got a deal of the day. That means it's good for today only. Today is February 3rd. Now, they had several different things. Nothing really tickled my fancy other than this Cobalt Quiet Tech 26-gallon, good size there, portable electric 150 psi vertical air compressor. Normally $419, it's $100 off today, down to $319. I didn't check if they had shipped this to you for free. That sure would be nice, because that's going to be a heavy little bastard. But 26-gallon vertical, $319 on that guy. Now this other one over at Lowe's, I found this clearance deal in store at the time because I was in the store. I didn't realize it's also available online, so a really good deal. I picked up a couple of these for myself. The Melnor Relax Grip 8-pattern rear trigger. Gotta love a rear trigger. Normally $14.98, down to $3.72. Now, if you buy online and have it shipped to you, you're going to have to add some shipping charges into that, unless you want to buy like 10 of them, 15 of them, something like that. They did have, it was over 1,000 available when I first posted this last night, so I'm sure there's still tons left. But $3.72, really good deal on this thing. I believe it's a 30-inch wand. It may say somewhere that's too small for me to read. And I like the little thumb dial wheel thing. I love that much better than getting the old forearm workout, giving the old squeeze. And of course, it's got the different patterns you do there. And I just really liked it, so I picked up a couple for myself. $3.72, normally $15. Of course, you can buy online and pick up in store and avoid any shipping charges. Amazon deal, 2-pack, solar outdoor lights, motion sensor, 3,500 lumen, 286 LED solar security floodlights, visual battery mode, 3 light modes. This is by Claoner. So we've seen solar light deals from these guys for several years now. A lot of times it's the wall lights, and this is pretty similar. The solar panel, the bendable or adjustable panels there, motion sensor and everything. So normally $39.99, that's way too much. We have the 50% promo code. You just click right there, automatically copy it to your clipboard so you can easily paste it at the checkout screen on Amazon. They're supposed to go through the 15th. We'll see if it actually lasts that long, but taking 50% off makes it $19.99. You're getting 2 of them, so they're only $9.99 a piece, under $10. And I did originally find this on the promo code page, so make sure to be checking that out. Updates 9 times a day. 9 times a day, mostly in the morning, but still, it's 9 different updates. Got a flashlight deal for you. Hey, by the way, super quick, I told you about the tapping on the side of the house the other day. It happened again this morning. I was like, I'm going outside. I got to figure out what the hell this is. I think I told you guys. Maybe I didn't tell you. Did I tell you about the bald eagle? I don't know. Anyway, it was a northern flicker. It's like a type of woodpecker, and normally they dig around in the ground. They have a kind of a soft beak, so they don't nail at trees or whatever. They dig up like worms and stuff out of the ground, and he was in my gutter, so I'm guessing there's perceived bird food in the gutter. Anyway, 1,400 lumens. I know you're happy for me. Rechargeable LED flashlight, 90-degree adjustable head. Oh man, an adjustable head. Everyday carry tactical flashlight, magnetic. I don't know why it says AA. Maybe it can use both AA or rechargeable, but it definitely is rechargeable, so this portion doesn't totally make sense to me. And then we have the red diffuser by Smingxi In Chinese, what it's G, like the guy's name over there, G is it Smingxi? 50% off. USB charge port, magnetic tail cap. Love both of those. It looks like that's a headlamp strap, which is actually kind of cool. $27.99. Now we had a Prime member discount. I think it brought it down to $19.99, but let me check. $23 brings it down to 23, and then 50% off of that, so under $12. Supposed to go through the 13th. We'll see if it lasts that long. Love the little rechargeable lights. Also, just in time for Valentine's Day, a TheStruggleville original design. I love you more than my truck. Most days. Mentioned it real quick yesterday, but I thought, let's actually pull it up and show it to you guys. $19.99 over on Amazon for the t-shirt. You can get the t-shirt, the long sleeve, or the hoodie. Available in a bunch of different colors. I thought the brown looked good because it's like a little mud. You see, it's like a mud heart with tire tracks. Yeah, amazing. I was pretty happy with how that turned out. 3/8-inch cordless ratchet wrench compatible with Milwaukee M18 batteries, 42 foot-pounds, which is actually better than the OG ratchet from Milwaukee, although theirs is also an M12, not an M18. But that's about 30 or 35 foot-pounds. Torque electric ratchet set, 220 RPM, which is also a little better than the original, which was 200 RPM. Variable speed, trigger by Rhythnest. So, of course, it's going to use your M18 batteries. Doesn't come with the battery. You do get some sockets in the adapter, although there's much value there. $49.99, 50% off. I felt like the guy in Office Space there for a second. You know, the guy with the staple who kind of mumbles. 50% off. Going to be $24.99. I haven't seen that in so long. I feel like that was a really good movie. I don't know if I should watch it, though. Is it one of those where when I was younger, I thought it was great, and then I went back and watched it, I was like, this sucks. I actually think it would hold up, though. DeWALT 21-piece set, black oxide coated high-speed steel twist drill bit set. Going to be only $19.97. Comes with the tough case. Love the tough cases. Interchangeable, lockable, stackable. Make your own little set. Pulling out these guys, mixing them all up. Home Depot's $30. Lowe's is $25. So save yourself a couple of dollars over on Amazon. Get yourself some decent drill bits. Speaking of drill bits, we got another set for you. 10-piece blue Masonry drill bits, concrete drill bits, ceramic, tile, tungsten carbide tipped by Joeric. $16.99. Have a 50% promo code. It's going to be $8.50. So let's go through the 20th. We'll see if it lasts that long. These have been around for a long time. I first posted these a couple of years ago, so that's like a good sign. They didn't kill the page and just come up with a new one. Because that's what they do with crap products. Now this one, I'll tell you what, it has mixed reviews. It's super cheap, but if you actually take the time to read the reviews, because I was looking at it, right? Let's get into it. It's the cordless tiller cultivator compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, okay? This is by Mayoki. Now we posted, I believe it was a sander a couple of weeks ago from them, so if you bought that, maybe got a general idea of the quality to expect. Starts out at $59.99. This is tool only, $59.99, and then 50% off. So it's only $29.99. It's going to use your Makita batteries. If you have bought any of the Seesii tools in the past, they work with Makita stuff, which would make me think the Seesii tools will work with this. If the Makitas do and Seesii works with Makita, logic says it'll work with this. Which means it probably does not. But hey, we're going to go with it. Now, so $29, it's just insanely cheap for it, right? So I thought, I gotta look at the reviews, because if it was really terrible, I wasn't gonna post it. And it did have a couple of 1-star reviews. But one of them, it's the person complaining that it didn't come with the battery. Well, it says right in the damn listing, tool only. So, look, you didn't read. You bought something you can't read. It's unfortunate, but look, there's a lot of stupid people in this country, and that was just one of them. One of the many, okay? The other stupid people like to stand in front of cars in the middle of traffic, which, hey, you get the double thud. You'll get double thumbs up from me. Good job. Let's start the GoFundMe. Make sure you don't go anywhere we don't want you going. We need you on the road because you're a problem solver. But where else was I going with this? Oh, the other 1 star. It might have been a 3-star review, but it definitely wasn't like a 5 or anything. And the only word in it was good. Give me a review on this tool. Good. 1 star. What dumbass. Again. So I feel actually pretty confident. I didn't have a ton of reviews, but people said it worked fine, and it's only $29. So hopefully that promo code lasts for a while. Compressed air duster. Love these guys. You got 150 million trillion, whatever number that is. Electric air duster. LED display. Brushless motor. 4 gears. Air blower. Rechargeable. LED light. Cordless turbo fan. I like 4 gears. 4 gears is perfect. Give me 3-speed with overdrive. Nowadays, cars have 35 gears. All it does is shift. The entire acceleration. Shift, 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 shift. It's like an Adam shift, shift, shift. Like, Jesus. Stop already. Yo-Yo 2 turbo fan. Comes with all the little extra brushes. Normally $39.99, 45% off. That almost cuts the price in half, so you're going to be just north of $20 on these things. If you've never bought one of these before, it's definitely worth picking up. I got my hair cut yesterday, and the hair person used this on my head to blow all the hair off. So there was a new use that I didn't expect. Might want to close your eyes when they do that, because there's hair violently flying around. Very violent hair. Impact grade socket adapter set. 3-inch. Not such good size. Extension bit holder. 3-piece quarter 3/8 half-inch drive by LEXIVON. So we just saw the deal on the torque wrench for them yesterday, and then I saw this today. I'm hoping they do more promo codes because I like the stuff of theirs I have. I have this, and then I also have the longies. They're like the 6-inchers. And, I haven't managed to break them yet, so that's always a good sign. $7.97, 50% off. It's going to be under $4. Free shipping for them Prime members. It goes through the end of the month, or it might go through the end of the month. So, good little deal on that. Polo shirts by PinSpark. I actually saw it today written out. Pin, capital P, pin, capital S, spark. So I think it's supposed to be PinSpark, not PinSpark. PinSpark. Polo shirt. Now, different colors, different sizes available. $14.98 is actually a sale price. I believe it was normally $21 or $22. And then we have a 50% promo code, $7.50 there. Not sure when it expires. Posted it today. You know, you don't see the little... I'll tell you what, another little inside baseball thing we'll just take 20 seconds for. Because every day there's got to be a new problem. We can't go a day without some bullshit happening. I checked out the error log for this program because I had to enter all these prices myself, which I normally don't do. Normally it's returned from the Amazon API, so coming from their servers to my website. And I checked out the error log for this website, and there was 80,000 lines of errors. And I think it's related to none of the prices showing. So I had, of course, contact them. I guess the one good thing is when they charge you for a plugin, they better answer your damn email, which I am still waiting on. But they're from a different country, so they're probably sleeping right now. 412-piece flat washer set, 304 stainless steel, M4 to M12 washer, screws, bolts. 4 screws and bolts. Important to not miss a word. I was like, wait a second, there's no screws or bolts in this. By Kinhon Rock. It's very interesting. It's a new style of rock. You got classic rock. You got, I don't know, what other kinds of rock are there? There's different kinds, but now there's Kinhon. I love all the consumable stuff. You always got to have more of it in the toolbox because you never know when you might need it. $16.99, 40% off. Going to be about $10. 400 pieces, stainless steel. Make sure to jump on that one. They also had some lock nuts. I posted it on the home improvement page. It was only a coupon, and it was less. I don't remember how much off it was, but if you need some stainless steel, the nylon insert lock nuts, that's on the home improvement page right now. Half-inch drive impact socket sets, 11-piece metric by Seesii. Starting at 10, thank you. Going all the way up to 24. 6 points coming with the rail. Magnetic rail at that. Kind of like the whole rail and everything going with it. Look at how big that numbering is. It's a tiny picture, so I still can't tell you the sizes, but damn it, it looks big. That's what I tell her. $29.99, 40% off. Let's see. Going through the 8th. That's under $20, right? That's like somewhere between 15 and 20. Math, not the strong suit. English, not the strong suit. Hey, you know what? When I find it, I'll let you guys know. Save big on amazing products from Bruno Marc. So again, none of the damn prices showing, which is very annoying. But we have 20% off the Hey Dude knockoffs. If you're a Hey Duder, you can get that 20% off. The dress sneakers, I like the hybrid style. They're dressy, they're sneakers. The comfort of a sneaker and the dress of a dress shoe. 45% off on that one. Got your Oxford, 20%. And they're little like moccasin winter boot slipper looking things. 25% off on those guys. Hopefully the pricing gets figured out tomorrow. I'm not manually typing every damn thing. Love this deal. Probably should have led with this one. Maybe a little closer to the front. 2.4 gigahertz or 5, so it works with both of your Wi-Fi bands. Security cameras, outdoor 2K wired camera, home security, 24/7 continuous recording, PTZ, that's pan, tilt, zoom, full color night vision, two-way audio by ZUMIMALL. So this one does have to be plugged in, but it is app controlled. Once you got it all connected, you can get their app, you can tilt it, you can pan it, you can zoom it. That's the PTZ in it. $35.99. Now we have a Prime member discount and then also 50% off. I need to double check what that Prime member discount was. But for Prime members, it's going to start at $29.99. 50% off is going to be $14.99. It does work for multiple quantities, so get that $14.99. Really good. And this was another one that I originally found on the promo code page, so make sure you're checking that out. Again, updated multiple times a day. Going to work on the category thing. Got to work on the Acme Tools thing. It's one of those that, it's going to take time. And if I only have like an hour to work on it, I can't even dive into it. It takes me an hour just to get in the mode, get all caught up. Okay, where did I leave off? What do I got to do? And I don't want to get it like half fixed and then have to run off and do something. And it's just going to be a total shit show. I'll end up breaking something. So I need something like, especially like a weekend. Maybe Super Bowl Sunday, because who gives a damn about that? Bears are out. Don't care. I saw a t-shirt that says, I hope both teams lose. Go Bears. It's exactly how I feel. They can both go to hell. I don't care. It's a tough choice. How am I going to root for New England? You can't root for the Patriots. They've won like 30 Super Bowls in the last 10 years. I'm definitely not rooting for them. And then Seattle? Seattle? Have you seen what's happening in Seattle? You think I want any of those people to have any happiness in their life at all? No! So I have nothing to... Not going to watch the halftime show. That ain't happening. The only thing that can... No. I have no... I'm not watching. I'm going to work on my website instead of watching the Super Bowl. It sounds more productive. And entertaining, because there's not going to be any entertainment there. I'll just be pissed the whole time. That's all the deals, guys. That's all I got for you today. Everything's going to be linked down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.